to a certain level. Then there's the people in the middle who don't get it but pretend to get it, and then they mislead a lot of people. So the topic for our conversation today is, we're actually asking, is Forex trading, financial markets trading, is it gambling? Because, Charlie, we don't get it. Once you don't get it, you don't even know what you're doing. It's like you're lost in a certain world. This is the big why. This is Rise and Shine. Da Costa is joining the studio. Good morning. How are you doing?
Very good.
It's
How
good
about
to
you?
I'm very good, man. It's good to see you.
Right.
Charlie, how's everything been? How's business? How's work? You've written a couple of books as well.
Yes.
You've written a book as well.
Yes.
Tell me a bit about that.
So I have 2 books published on
Nice.
Amazon, Scribe, and all those platforms.
Nice.
And they are basically about trading, online trading.
Okay.
And one is about emerging technologies.
Okay.
Like the blockchain, the Web3. and all.
Yes.
Yeah. And we live in a country where we see some of these things to be, like you said, abstract.
It's
sort of
rocket
things,
science.
But everyday things that we do, which we need to pay very good attention to.
Okay.
And the reason why I'm more interested in this stuff is, when we talk about job markets,
Yes.
we have local job markets,
Yes.
we have global job markets.
We do.
The local job market is choked.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, yesterday I couldn't listen to the finance ministers.
But you've heard the tidbits. You've heard the highlights. Of course. The highlights. You can't afford to not hear it.
But definitely the conversation will be about employment and all.
It was.
So we need to also position ourselves for the global job market.
Yes.
So that's why all these things are very, very important.
So ideally, it really is about you moving beyond where we are as a country, as a locality. We're bigger than that because, of course, the global village now. So whilst you're also tapping from here, there's a way to also connect globally. Exactly. That's what you're saying. And, the names that come up, you mentioned, Web 3.0, you mentioned, blockchain, you mentioned Forex trading.
Yes.
What do these mean? What do they mean?
Okay. So let me break it down.
Yes, let's do that.
So all of these fall under the financial market.
Okay.
So you can take the financial market to be, let's say, YFM is under Global Media
Alliance.
That's it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we take Global Media Alliance to be like the main financial market.
Okay.
Now, when you enter Global Media Alliance,
yes,
we have YFM.
Okay.
We have Happy FM.
Yes, we do.
We have other
yes
as well. The same way when you enter the financial market.
Yes.
We have the Forex market, which is a market within the financial market.
Okay.
And for the Forex markets, what the traders do there, basically they trade in currencies.
Okay.
Those are the products they trade.
Okay.
Some also prefer trading in the crypto market.
Okay.
In the crypto markets, the things that you sell there or the stuff or products that are sold there, or the traders trade on digital assets.
Okay.
Where we have cryptocurrencies.
Okay.
That's when Bitcoin comes.
So primarily what you're saying is under the financial market, crypto is different from Forex.
Yes.
Like, don't come and confuse it, Charlie. You're doing Forex trade, then you mention crypto, they do something. No, like it has to be totally, it's different, sectors, so to say.
Commodities where they trade gold, natural resources and all. Yes. So those are the differences.
Yes.
Yes. And when we come to, because popularly people are used to the Forex market.
Okay.
The Forex market, like any other market, is a speculative market.
Okay.
And unfortunately, we live in a country where understanding of words become a problem. Yeah. Now, when we say speculation, what that we are trying to say is we trying to predict the outcome of an event.
Okay.
So yesterday we discussed something. You said, "Oh, Charlie, tomorrow 8, try to be here."
Yeah.
That was just speculation because we were just predicting chances of something happening.
Okay.
Please, you get it?
Yes.
So in this case, we know definitely will happen. No, not that it will. It might happen.
Okay.
Now, the outcome, we are not setting with one outcome, whether indeed I'm even going to wake up today to be here or not.
Yes.
But we know that it's either I'm going to wake up to be here or not wake up or not even be able to.
Yeah.
Now, if I'm able to come here, we call that a reward.
Okay.
Because that was our expectation.
Okay.
If I'm unable to come here, that becomes the risk.
Okay.
But unfortunately, we Ghanaians don't even look at the risk.
Okay. So we always think about the reward.
Thank you.
You can make $1,000 from this. $1,000.
That'd be
all you hear for head inside.
And that is the problem.
You don't hear anything else.
No. And that is where the problem is.
Okay.
So now, when you now delve or you find yourself in that space, we have different professions in there.
Okay.
Me, I'm an educator. I'm an analyst.
Okay.
Some people also treat it as investment or fund managers.
Okay.
We also have the marketers.
Okay.
So you go online, you see somebody saying that, oh, I made $10,000 right now from maybe $100.
Okay.
Those guys, most of them are marketers.
Okay.
Now, they have partnered with some of these companies.
Okay.
But the companies also need clients.
Yes.
To trade on their platform.
Yes.
So they have partnered with them.
Okay, so let's not get ahead. So when you say companies,
yes,
we have not introduced companies yet.
Okay. Yes,
Yes, so let's introduce companies properly.
Okay. So you as a trader, or me as a trader,
yes,
if I want to trade, I need a company that will link me to the market.
Okay.
Example, let's use this. I want to get my message out there.
Okay.
How can I get it out? I need to come to YFM.
Yes.
So YFM is serving as the intermediary, linking me to the audience.
Yes.
The same way, if I want to trade in the market,
yes,
I need a company to connect me to the market.
Okay.
And the name of the company, or how we call it, is the broker.
Okay.
So the broker is going to give you all the technologies you need as a trader to connect you to the market.
Okay.
Please, you get it?
I do.
Right. Now, the brokers make money off commissions because you are using their platforms to do all of that.
Yes.
But the more the people, the more the commissions. So if they're making $1, and they have 1 million clients,
of course,
that's good money.
Great money.
But how can they tap into the market or let people use the platform?
They have to use marketers.
Marketers, influencers.
Yes.
So there are some of these influencers who haven't even pressed a buy or a sell before.
Okay.
But they are capitalizing on our greed.
Yes.
And we're not even thinking of the risk, like you mentioned earlier.
Yes.
They say, oh, I just made $10,000 out of $1,000 out of $10.
Okay.
Then a typical Ghanaian who is driven by emotions or sensation, be like, Charlie, let me fuck a crash him.
Yeah.
Now, when a person does that and ends up losing the money, because you are buying something, looking forward for it to appreciate in value and all of that. So if it doesn't appreciate, you've lost.
Yes.
I hope you get it.
Absolutely.
Now, before you even choose the broker, so this is what's very, very important, ensure that broker is regulated.
Okay.
But unfortunately, when people are choosing some of these platforms, they don't even look out for that. So later they go about saying, oh, it's a scam. People have done this.
But the regulatory bodies, are they out there? Are they things that people can readily have access to?
Yes.
Okay.
So let me explain this. In Ghana, we don't have, as far as I know, we don't have a brokerage. Okay, like online trading brokerage. There used to be one which is out of business when this financial stuff happens. So it's out of it. But most of them are in the Europe, US, and outside Ghana.
Okay.
So if you want to use the platform, first thing you need to know is just visit the website. They will have all those licenses and everything there. Now, they will indicate that, okay, this license is introduced by maybe FCA, Financial Conduct Authority in the UK.
Okay.
Pick up the license number, check out from Financial Conduct Authority's website.
Yes.
You can write to their supports, tell them that, I'm trying to work with this broker, but it's telling me that you are regulating its activities. How true is that?
Yeah.
And then if indeed they are doing that, they'll confirm.
Okay.
But unfortunately, people just see the number and go like, oh, okay, they have license and whatever.
Yeah.
But you need to go out.
You need to check. You need to, do due diligence.
Yes.
You need to, because it's money.
Your hard-earned money.
Yeah, it's not a joke.
Exactly. So it's part of the reasons why people have all these misconceptions. But it's a profession.
Okay.
It's something that if you take it seriously, can change your life. For example, if you want to become a doctor, I don't think you just...
No. I mean, that's what we're going to get to. I mean, I think you're getting there yourself. If you're a doctor, you go to medical school, you do all those things.
Your presentation now,
you have to learn it.
Perfect.
Yes, you have to learn it.
I might not be able to do that.
But when it comes to this new type of works, in terms of like the financial market, this is not something that readily people learn in school.
Exactly.
So how do they know? Like, how do I know that this person, they know what they're talking about? Because a lot of people approach me, a lot of marketers especially, because now that you've defined it, I realize a lot of people we know are marketers.
A lot.
They're just hyping up a product, which is fine. So how do you know?
Okay. So to verify that maybe this person really knows what he or she is doing, first there should be a proof.
Okay.
And the proof is not just by words.
Okay.
So maybe I said, okay, I can teach you, Barry, I can teach you how to trade.
Yes.
You know that how? I should be able to show you my trades myself.
Okay.
trades that I've been able to do.
Okay.
Now, there are differences between a profitable trader and consistently profitable trader.
Okay.
Most of the people around are profitable traders. Today, they'll make huge monies. Tomorrow, they lose. They have all those.
Yeah, but they don't show you the losses.
Please come again.
They don't show you the losses.
No, they won't.
Yeah.
Like you said, initially, we were describing groups of people. You said some people pretend they know.
Yeah.
Exactly. So, but you need to find somebody who is consistently profitable.
Okay.
So if you are dealing with me, or if I'm dealing with you, and you show me a portfolio where you make $1 every day, let's say you have $1,000 in your account, let's say even $10,000 in your account, and every day you're making $1,
Yes.
$1,
Yes.
consistently.
Yes.
I should trust you as compared to somebody who has $10,000 today, who make 10, today even make 20,000, and tomorrow lose all.
Okay.
Is one.
Yeah.
Two, look out for the credibility of the person.
Okay.
And how can you also look out for that? Maybe some certification from recognized bodies and all.
Yeah, that's what I'm interested in. Which bodies are certifying people when it comes to this?
Okay. So in Ghana,
Yes.
I think if they have this, they have a school. I know a friend who has attended that before.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, I know a friend who has attended before. I think Ghana stock something.
Okay, yeah. The stock exchange courses
Exactly.
that they do at City House and all of that.
Exactly.
Yes.
So that is different. But when you come to this online trading where we need to, or we are finding a way to do things our own way, one of the best things you can do is, like I said, look out for educators, certified educators.
Okay.
So me, I'm a certified educator, which I've had my license from an institution in Dubai, Tradepedia.
Okay.
It's a broad recognized or globally recognized institution.
Yes.
Yes. So you need to look out for some of these things. But basically, you need to do your due diligence.
Yeah.
You need to do your due diligence. Ensure the person shows you a proof.
Yes.
And if the person is claiming that he can train you, ensure the person has certification that shows that he knows what he's doing.
Yeah.
Example is, I can tell you that if you are dealing with me, I'll tell you that this is not a get-rich-quick scheme.
Nice.
It's a marathon, not a sprint.
Yes.
Take your time.
Yes.
First, understand what you are doing.
Yeah.
But if you meet somebody who doesn't really even know what he's doing, all the conversation is going to be about you make money
quick
now,
quick money, Charlie. $100, $200.
That is the problem.
You know, in talking to you, I've come to realize that there's a much bigger issue here. What do you think? What are the challenges you face in what you do? I'm curious.
Okay, so me, I started somewhere 2014.
Okay.
And by then I was at Accra Brewery.
Okay.
As an engineer doing my own thing, but I needed extra source of income.
Yes.
So looking at this, I was just looking for extra source of income.
Yes.
So I didn't think about risk or anything. So once a friend told me and I saw the marketers online, I started pushing in money.
Okay.
And beginning, I made some profits, 1 or 2 profits. But I was thinking that was all. Not knowing now, I know that was just luck.
Wow. You could have lost all that.
I lost a lot.
Yeah.
But at a point, I decided to now educate myself, because I got in touch with somebody who knew what he was really doing and told me that you need proper education.
Okay.
So one of the 2 main challenges in trading has got to do with education and funding.
Okay.
The funding in the sense that if I have $10,000 and I'm making 1%, let's say a month, that is $100. You can use that for something better in Ghana.
Yeah.
But if you have $100 and you are making 1% a month, that is $1. You cannot use that $1, but maybe I had time, but then you realize that when it comes to performance, you are doing equally well as I'm doing. Because I did 1%.
Yes.
You also did 1%.
Yes.
So we are all good.
Yes.
Just that the capital is the difference.
Yeah. Good morning, Go That TV just joined us. I like to say we're in the studio. Someone Da Costa is joining us this morning. We're talking Forex trading. Actually, is it a gamble? That's it actually, and that's something I want us to actually get into. Specialist as well as an entrepreneur. His name is Mr. Isuman Da Costa. We're talking Forex trading. It's online Forex, financial market trading. Is it a gamble? That is my major question this morning. Okay. And I just want to hear from you, man. What's your thought? Your thoughts on this one?
Okay. So I need to, before we even, there's this disclaimer that people should know, those listening to us, know that whatever conversation we are having here is for educational purpose.
Okay.
You shouldn't take that as investment advice.
Okay.
The reason I'm stressing on this also feeds or into whatever I'm going to explain when it comes to gambling and treating it as business. You know, the same thing, everything has got to do with opinions. So the same thing you see as a yes, somebody sees as a no. Trading itself is good. However, people treat it as either gambling or business. They are all speculative markets. So now we need to now understand what is then gambling and what is then business. Now, with the gambling, the person looks at the short term, also doesn't have proper risk management measures in place. So it's just a get rich quick scheme. But the same trading that you and I or we want to do, that's what the banks and the big investment companies are doing. But they are treating it as business. So with them, they are looking at it from a long-term point of view and then solid risk management measures. Now, let me explain the risk management measures. When you go to maybe an investment company, they'll tell you that a whole year, maybe they'll give you, let's say, 12% or let's say something. But the one treating it as gambling will tell you that a day I'm making 100%, or a month I can give you 100%. And that's where the problem is. Another part of to explain this has got to do with education. When you go to these investment companies, they have market analysts, traders themselves, treasury, like different departments. And they are investing a lot in these people. Let's look at the bankers. You know, Ghana, when somebody says I'm working at a bank, it's it's a luxury in one way or exactly. So people are putting all these monies in people and ensuring that in a whole year they make just 12%. But you and I, that we have limited resources, like when it comes to technologies and all, we are trying to make 100% in a day. That can be done, but the problem is it's not sustainable. So that's what the difference is. So trading or forex trading itself is not the problem. But it depends on the people. They choose it whether they want to treat it as gambling.
I think we're gonna have to, like I said off air, we're gonna have to, stretch this a bit.
Yes.
So I'm gonna find some time for us to, continue this conversation.
Sure.
So how do people reach you? How do people get in touch with you?
Okay, so I'll share my WhatsApp, and like I mentioned earlier, they are reaching me on WhatsApp. It's not about investments, whatever, strictly education. They should have that at the back. So 026 885 7540. 026 885 7540. I have educational videos on YouTube and other social media platforms. YouTube is Forex Trading in Ghana. Instagram is FTG_FX.
Yeah. Thank you so much for coming.
Sure.
Hopefully we see you again soon.
Sure. Thank you very much.